welcome. If you're new here, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Roxanne and welcome to my channel. If you are not new, thanks so much for coming back. I really appreciate you clicking on the video. So it has been such a long time since I've actually sat down and talked to you guys. So it just feels really good to be back talking to you guys, and I'm super excited for this video because I have a huge giveaway coming and I'm going to be talking about that at the end of this video. So make sure that you stay tuned to hear about my next giveaway. I did one quite a long time ago. I think it was when I had 200 subs or something like that, and now I have almost 750. So you know, it feels really good to have grown so much, and I don't know, for me that's a lot. You know, for me it's a lot of growth, and it just makes me feel really good that I have so many of you who are along for the ride.
Beautiful she goes, unnoticed she knows, no limits she craves, attention she praises, an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor.
As you guys can tell by the title, I'm sure this is a beauty room haul. I have been collecting a ton of new stuff for my beauty room. I completely revamped it. I did make quite a large purchase last weekend. I bought myself a new iMac, so I am going to have a new computer, a nice computer to edit on. I'm so excited because I want to make my videos better for you guys. I did purchase Adobe Premiere, so please make sure that you stay tuned for some really great improvements to my channel, and I don't know, I have a lot of really awesome stuff coming. So let's jump in, you guys. Let me go ahead and show you what I got for my beauty room over the last couple of days, and then at the end of this video I will talk to you about the next giveaway happening on my channel. So let's jump in. Okay, so first and foremost, I can't exactly show you guys because of where my lighting is, but I did purchase this vanity that is sitting behind me. I know you guys can see me in this mirror, so I'm trying to sit in front of it so you guys can't see what I've got going on back here. But I did purchase this vanity from IKEA. It was on sale for 99 bucks. And it is awesome. It has drawers on it, and I'm so excited because my husband put it together for me on Sunday, and it's just a really awesome vanity. I love that it comes with a mirror. I'm just super excited to kind of have this and have a real vanity, because I kind of had a makeshift one. And then I'm using the desk currently that I did use for my vanity for my new computer, so that really worked out well. And then a couple of things that I didn't bring in here to show you guys. I will insert pictures. I purchased some, what are they called? The vanity lights that everyone has, you know, to kind of make their vanities, you know, better with lighting and stuff when they put their makeup on. So I bought 2 strands of 4, or 2 blocks of 4. There's 4 bulbs. We did purchase the electrical, and my husband is going to go ahead and install those. I'm going to put 1 on each side just so that I have really awesome lighting when I'm filming, or you know, kind of in back of me, or when I am putting my makeup on, doing tutorials and stuff like that. So yeah, and then I also got a couple of Alex drawers, but they're the kind that you hang on the wall. So they're not like the Alex drawers I have now where all of my makeup is at. They're 2 drawers. I'll also insert a picture of these. I got these at IKEA. They're 2 drawers. You kind of hang them on the wall, and then they're just next to each other, and then you pull them out. So I got 2 sets of those. So I have 4 drawers that are going to go all the way across. I think I'm going to put them over here somewhere, maybe above me. I'm not quite sure about that yet, but that will happen soon. But anyway, let's go ahead and keep with the theme of IKEA, because I did purchase kind of some, I don't know, I purchased some really cute things from there, and I'm excited to use them. I don't know where I'm going to put a lot of them, but I got them anyway because they were super cute. So yeah. First things first is I got this really pretty black and white pillow. Let me zoom out so you guys can see. So I got it has two patterns, one on this side and then a different one on this side. So this one is kind of like striping, this one's stripes, and then this one is polka dots. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna be getting like a beanbag chair in here, so I think I'm gonna put that on the beanbag chair. And I just really liked the pattern, and it was on sale for 10 bucks at IKEA, so I got that guy because I just think it's really cute to have little accent pillows, and I don't know, it makes me excited to have it. So I'm gonna keep you guys zoomed out for a little bit because some of the stuff I got is really big and I need the entire screen to show you. But I did get another pillow. This was $5.99 at IKEA, and it's just these cute little lips. Look, they look so big, like in the camera. They're not really that big, but they're just so cute. I was so excited because I want to put this on the same beanbag and just have like a chair with accented pillows, I guess. But anyway, they're just so cute, right? I don't know. And then going along with the same theme of lips, this is these are huge, but these are stickers. Hold on, I have to turn them around. Oh my gosh. Oh, so these are lip stickers. You guys can't even see my face. Hi. You guys can see my ring light in them, but they're so cute, aren't they? There's a bunch of different sizes. I don't know where exactly I'm going to put these, but I don't know, just all around my beauty room. Maybe I'll put them kind of behind me so they're good accent pieces. But I'm excited for these because I've seen these all over like the internet, and IKEA has them, or IKEA had them, and they were really good deals. So I picked those up, and I'm just like, where am I going to put these? I have no idea, but I'll figure it out, because I do always. So yeah, I don't know if you guys know, but I absolutely love Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn. Like, love them. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This thing was $40. Can you guys see it? It's a picture, but I can't maneuver it. Okay, hold on. Here she is. So pretty, right? It is so cute. So I got this guy for 40 bucks, and it's a humongous picture. Like, it's huge. Look at that. I can't even fit my face looks so small compared to it. But the rest of the stuff I got at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So this vanity doesn't have like dividers in the drawers, and I really wanted to find something that I could put my makeup in, just because I really want to utilize the space in the drawers. So I picked up a couple of these guys, and they were on clearance at Marshalls for $8. So I picked up these. They're just like beauty dividers, and they're really cute because they have like lips and eyes on them. And this is something that I'm just like starting, I guess, a theme for my room. But they're tied together. So let's untie them and see if we can look at them together. I haven't looked at any of this stuff from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I just picked it up tonight, came home, and now I'm filming. Okay, so these are so cute. The big one underneath just has a bunch of lips on it, and this is just, I don't know, just super, super cute. So that I can put all of like my stuff that I want to keep in the drawers in here, and it's not like scooting everywhere. I don't know, I just feel like that's going to be hard if it's just like randomly in the drawer. So, and then this one has lips and eyes, so it's a little bit smaller, but there's a lot of stuff I can keep in here so that they're not slipping and sliding everywhere in the dresser, or I keep calling it a dresser, in the vanity. But these are really cute because they're canvas and they're really good quality, and I got them for $8. They originally were like 20 or something like that, but they were on clearance for $8. So I'm like, I have to pick those up because they're super cute and they go with my theme. So yeah. The next thing I purchased at Marshalls was another brush spinner. I have one and I really love it, but it's getting really full with all of my brushes. So I bought another one at Marshalls, and it was $12.99, and it just spins like this. And what I liked about it was this cute little topper thing. I think that that is so, so, so cute. So I picked this guy up because I wanted to put some of the brushes I use more on a daily basis in it, and plus I liked how it spins. So I like both of them, how they spin. I hope I can get the tag off. But this was only $12.99 and it's just super cool. I could just do that all night. But I won't because this video will be really long. So I got another one of the dividers, and this one just has like little perfumes. So this one is just like a darker canvas, and I'm excited to try these out to see if like they're actually going to fit in the drawers. As far as I can see, they will, but I'm also interested to see kind of how the products will hold in here. This one, oh my god, this is so cute. I didn't even see the bottom of this, but this is beauty tray. That is so cute. And this one was 10 bucks on clearance for the set. And then this has some eyelashes, super short lashes, and some perfumes. But I just thought that was really, really cute. And it's like a gray colored canvas, so it goes really nice with that other one. I just feel like these are super cute to have in a vanity drawer. Just, I don't know. I'm into stuff like this, so yeah, those are really cute. Oh, I got a couple for my jewelry because right now my jewelry, and it literally just like chills on this little like table I have, and so it's everywhere. So I wanted to get something that was gonna help me make sense of it, and this was on clearance for $6. So I got that guy, and it just has a lot of different spots to put things, rings, bracelets, and stuff. And I really want to do that because I don't want my jewelry to be so spewed out everywhere, almost like I barfed jewelry. So I picked that up just because I want to try and make sense of the jewelry. I want to try and keep it in here. I don't know if that'll happen, but I'm gonna try, and then we'll see. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you. Next thing I got was just another little jewelry holder. This thing was $6 too. This is like not as fun as the other shit, but you know, same kind of thing, just a jewelry box holder. Bigger ones here, smaller ones here, and this was on clearance for $6. This I thought was just cute because it says something I love to say. It says, "This is my happy place," and this was on clearance for $6. It's a little mug. And I think it has a to-do list in it too. But again, I haven't opened it. Oh, I think it opens at the top. It's taped though. So it just says, let's see, what is this? So it's a welcome home. Yeah, it has, this gift set includes a journal and a ceramic mug. And it just says, "This is my happy place." So I'm going to put this up on this little vanity area. And I feel like that would be so cute up there, just as like a little knick-knack. I don't know, put some brushes in it or some liners or something, but I just feel like that is so cute. Cute. It's just this little like flower ceramic thingy. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was only $3.99 and I really, really liked the color. So I picked this up because I think what I'm going to do is just maybe put it as like, I don't know, a little accent piece on my vanity, and I don't know, just kind of have it be cute on there while I film. But anyway, this is just a really cute little flower, little turquoise, and I really liked it just because of the color. It's one of my favorite colors. The next thing I got was this cute little light. It's just a little lamp for my vanity area. It just takes AA, AAA batteries, I think. It takes AAA batteries, and this is called the Luminance Collection. It's just a light that's LED. It's a flameless light, so I just thought that was a really cute idea, and I love that it has like little lips and eyelashes. It has like a scrape here, but it was the last one they had, so I had to get it. But I might just try to fill it in with like colored marker or something, but I just thought that that was so cute, you know, especially because it's a beauty room, and I don't know, I really, really liked it, and I'm excited to see like how it works and what it looks like. But we'll see. It's just, I don't know, it's a cute little accent thing, you know, and I'm excited to try it because I just love Marshall's stuff. This was $9.99, and yeah, guys, I picked up this Rise and Shine little picture. This was only 10 bucks, but it has lashes, and I thought that was so cute because we all know how much I love my lashes. But yeah, so cute, and it's just a little, it's a little picture. So I'm going to hang this up somewhere. I'm not sure where, because I love my lashes and they really look like falsies. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just pick this up because it's only 10 bucks and it was really cute. So the last thing is this removable decals little I don't know, these are stickers, and these are sold at Target, so I thought this was really cool, but these are only $6 on clearance, and it just has 3 little sets of stickers. The first one says love is family, and then treasure every moment, hope and family, and then life is beautiful. I just really liked this idea. Since I had those lip stickers, I thought let me add this to the lips and just kind of make it fun in my room. So I don't know, I'm really excited to decorate, you guys, and I'm excited to have a new space. As far as the haul, you guys, that is everything that I purchased, and I'm so excited to set it up. Stay tuned for some of my future videos to see how I set it up and, you know, what I think about the stuff. But as far as the giveaway, I am going to be having a huge high-end giveaway on my channel, and I just basically wanted to give back to you guys. I wanted to show you how much I care that you are watching me and how much I care that you are subscribed to my channel. I've been picking up quite a lot of high-end makeup over the last couple months, but it will have a ton of high-end makeup. Again, I have been shopping for a long time for this giveaway, and I will be talking to you guys about what is in the giveaway in my next video. So stay tuned for that video. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you sticking through. But thank you so much, you guys. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, please do so before you go. I would really appreciate you becoming a part of the Edu fam, and click that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. That would mean so much to me. Give me a like or a thumbs up on this video, letting me know that you liked this beauty haul and that you want to see more from me. And leave me a comment down below, you guys. What do your beauty rooms look like? What things have you found that just make your beauty room everything that you've ever wanted it to be? You know, what makes you excited about going in there? Let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, that's all I have, you guys. I will see you all soon. Take care and take care of each other. Bye.
So she tries to cover up her pain and cut her woes away, 'cause cover girls don't cry after the face is made.